If you are stuck in a 9 to 5 that you absolutely hate and you're counting down the hours until you can go home and you're dreaming about working remotely and making some income online but not knowing where to actually start, this video is going to be just for you. I'm going to show you exactly how my students went from being trapped in a dead-end job to making $10,000 every single month by being a digital middleman. And all of this while not needing any experience to get started, no tech background, like you don't have to be a professional at knowing how to leverage AI or any of the technology that we're going through. And lastly, the one thing that every beginner entrepreneur looks for when they pursue a business model, which is no massive amounts of startup capital required to start this business model. Just a proven system that helps you guys get out of the rat race into online freedom. And before I get into all the results and the business model, let me talk to you guys a little bit about the 3 prisons that you guys are probably facing right now, which is time freedom, location freedom, and financial freedom. And the first one being the fact that you guys are very location trapped. And don't worry, I've worked a 9 to 5 myself, so I know what these problems are actually causing you on a day-to-day basis. The amount of time and commuting that you guys are spending in this job because you're required to show up there, whether it's 30 minutes, an hour away, you guys are wasting so much time every single day just commuting to your traditional jobs. And this is actually time that you will never be able to get back, which is actually costing you guys thousands of dollars just by being in a traditional job. The 40, 60 plus hours every single week that you guys are spending in this job doesn't actually give you enough time to do stuff that actually matters to you. And all while you guys are also experiencing salary caps, which means you can't even make any money if you worked harder if you wanted to. Requesting time off requires an approval from the people that are actually in control, and you guys might not realize this on a day-to-day basis, but this limits all of your life choices and opportunities that you guys actually have access to. And don't even get me started with the financial burdens that you guys have to take on. Between hourly wages, salary caps, and annual raises of like just 2 to 3%, you guys are not even keeping up with the living expenses and beating inflation. The constant devaluation of money is beating you guys year after year. So if anything, majority of people are always on borrowed time. And I firsthand have been able to experience every single one of these 3 prisons: location, time, and financial freedom. And even with the jobs that I worked, I actually didn't know how much it was actually costing me to stay there. For example, I was making like $10 an hour, like maybe $700 a paycheck every single 2 weeks. And if I didn't experience what it was like to become a digital middleman and earn off the deals that I bring to the table, I would have never thought I could 5x, 10x my income by working the exact same hours just in a different vehicle, in a different business model. And becoming a digital middleman completely relieved me of every single one of these 3 prisons. I was able to take calls and text people from anywhere that I actually wanted, so it solved my location problem. I could be in Singapore or Dubai right now and still able to generate myself cash flow just because of the business model that I was pursuing. And as far as the time and the income aspect of this business model as well, it completely blows out my 9 to 5 job that I was working. Most people, they view 9 to 5s as like safety. Oh, this is the safe route for me to make money. But as I just described to you guys are all on borrowed time, which even I, in the middle of that job, didn't realize it at first. But the digital middleman model completely relieves you of those 2 problems as well. Because the companies that I was partnering up with, I was able to choose my own hours, worked when I wanted, and clock in when I wanted to clock in. And when I was first looking for a business model, that's all I wanted, was to honestly just wake up, go to the gym, get my mind clear, and then be able to make the exact same amount of money or 10x what I was making in that job on the hours that I wanted to work. For context, for everyone that's watching this video, I was not a morning person, so like that whole 9 to 5 thing, I absolutely hated it because I was a person that loved to stay up at night. But I digress, and let me actually go into how the model actually works and show you guys how my students were able to escape their 9 to 5 as well. Now, compared to traditional jobs where you're like an employee of sorts, in my business model, becoming a digital middleman means you are partnering up with these existing businesses. So they actually see you guys as partners and you rely on each other. Because as a middleman, you're making these businesses hundreds of thousands of dollars, even millions of dollars every single year. And who's going to say no to millions of dollars? So they don't actually see you as an employee or just a number on the screen. They see you as a valuable partner that is almost irreplaceable and would want to keep you around forever, essentially. And before you're like,
AJ, that this doesn't even make any sense. Why would they partner with you in the first place?
don't worry, we'll go over that right now. Because there are 2 really high valuable services that every single one of these businesses in the online space needs today, which are appointment setters as well as remote closers. And these are 2 of the digital middleman models that I talk about in every single one of my videos. And both of these models are self-explanatory. Okay, an appointment setter is a person that sets It's appointments. That is it. That is how simple it is. I'm going to give you an example for you guys to kind of grasp this concept. If you've ever made an appointment to the doctors, or if you've ever made an appointment to speak to a lawyer or someone who has a really successful business and has a lot of customers, you have to speak to a person to make an appointment with the company. So that kind of helps you grasp the role of an appointment setter. Now, the businesses that are in the online space, there are so many businesses, millions of businesses that sell high ticket services that cost anywhere from $3,000 up to $100,000 for their online product. Yes, an online product I have seen worth $100,000 are being sold on the internet today. And you might think that that's extremely unreasonable and you don't even know how that works. Don't worry, I was the exact same way 3 years ago. But if you were anybody that lived through the COVID days, you would know that the biggest trend that has happened, obviously with going through COVID, online businesses were almost required to go remote, to go online. That's why Zoom is such an amazing online company. They were almost positioned at the perfect time in human history to help businesses go remote. Even in schools, education companies, colleges, every single business or service or company that you know, you can look it up on the internet essentially. Every single one of these businesses went online and started selling their services online. So I feel like I don't even have to say this, but with the businesses going online, guess what is also needed in the market? Appointment setters that work remotely, because this didn't exist 3 years ago, 5 years ago. And that's why becoming a digital middleman is so profitable now. As an appointment setter, you can earn anywhere up to $200, $500 per appointment that you guys are setting. And this is because you can earn anywhere from 5 to 8% per person that you set on an appointment with any one of these companies. Hence the $200 to $500 per appointment that you set. And these appointments are so easy for you guys to set because the people that want to work with these online businesses already want to work with these online businesses. And they get hundreds of thousands, if not millions of customers every single month. And the only thing you have to do is shoot them a text saying, hey, would you like to book a call with our company? That is it. To kind of relate this to the topic of the actual video, you can do this from anywhere in the world without any experience required and no startup costs required for this business model. And that is literally because of how simple this business model is. And I'm not going to bullshit you here with most business models that are going to tell you,
oh my God, you can make $100,000 in 24 hours because of this dropshipping store.
I'm not going to say that because that's just not realistic with this business model. But I will say you can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000 every single month consistently as an appointment setter, and then upwards of double as a remote closer, because closers get paid double the amount of appointment setters. And as a closer, you can even earn way more than double. I'm talking $15,000 to $50,000 every single month as a remote closer. Now, for a majority of you guys that might be working corporate or you already have a job that's paying you six figures, like I get it, that $15,000 to $50,000 is a lot more attractive to you guys. But for beginners, appointment setters, a great entry-level business model to help you guys get that first $5,000, $8,000 every single month. But for more of you guys that come from like the corporate world that are already making six figures, but the caveat is you're having to clock into the office, answer to a boss that you absolutely hate, talk to people that you don't even want to talk to, and you're repeating the cycle of just living the same day over and over and over again, and you absolutely actually hate your job. I get that as well. Becoming a remote closer is more ideal for you guys because you can earn 2 times, 3 times what you guys are already making as a six-figure earner, but you can do it with all the benefits that you actually want. Like, even if you're making 6 figures in your job, majority of you guys still can't even go to Dubai or Singapore or Greece or Croatia whenever you guys want because you're still on someone else's schedule, you're still answering to someone else, and you don't even actually have the time to spend the money that you're making, which is basically the same thing as just being trapped into a 9-to-5 job. Even though you're making money, you can't spend any of it, so what's the point in the first place? And in comparison to remote closers, where you still get the income, double, even triple the income, but you get the benefits of being location-free, time-free, and financial-free. Now, I also want to be very straightforward when I say this. Majority of the students that you'll watch on my YouTube videos or on my short-form content did not get lucky by any means. They followed a specific system that helped them transition out of that dead-end job into an actual model and a vehicle that could help them earn 6 figures every single year. So if you guys want to actually see how this system works and can apply to your situation, I can help you guys get your first deal for your first partnership within your first 180 days. Just click the link below in the description. You can book a call with me or my team. It's going to be in the description. Now, with that being said, I obviously want this video to still be actionable for you guys. We've talked about your 9-to-5 job that you absolutely hate, as well as the model that can set you guys free, let me talk to you guys or anybody that's watching this video on how you could actually land a client after this video. And there's really only two ways to get access into these kind of opportunities. And the first one being outreach directly to these business owners with a specific outreach system that I know how to leverage. And this is exactly where I started just 3 years ago with no experience, never made money online before in my life. I've tried mentors before, I've tried business models before. Nothing worked for me at the time, and me being the person that I was, not knowledgeable about entrepreneurship at all, was still able to land a partnership and my first deal just by outreaching the businesses that are in the market right now. And you guys might not even realize this, but you guys scroll past 7-figure, 8-figure entrepreneurs on Instagram and TikTok and YouTube every single day. The only thing you need to do is show these businesses how you can be valuable to them and help them make an extra couple $100,000 every single month or a couple $1 million every single month. And that's exactly how I started. Or number two, which is leverage networks, or like my company, Innovate, to help you guys land these partnerships for you guys. And that's actually one of the reasons why I started Innovate in the first place and why I'm helping people get into this business model anyways, because I'm always actively looking for these opportunities every single day, and I've been doing it for the past 3 years. The caveat of this is I need more digital middlemen to help me grow my firm, because I can't even take on the business that's currently in the marketplace. There's so many businesses that have and need appointment setters and remote closers, and I don't have the talent to suffice the market right now. So those are the two ways that you guys can land partnerships today, right now, after you guys watch this video. Go through TikTok, go through Instagram, go through YouTube, find business owners that are already doing millions of dollars. You scroll past them every single day. You might as well put your scrolling to get used and start asking these business owners if they need a digital middleman. Hey, do you need someone to set appointments for you? Hey, do you need someone to close deals for you guys? I promise you, even if you just text 100 people every single day, which you guys send hundreds of texts every single day anyway, you might as well do it to make some money. You can land a partnership within your first 90 days, because I did. And don't worry if you're working a 9 to 5 right now, if you're working corporate right now, you can still do this in your spare time, in your spare hours. No matter if you're already putting in 40 hours every single week right now, when you get home, you could send messages for an hour or 2 hours and potentially land a role that can help you make $15,000 to $50,000 every single month. If you ask me, you want to just spend an extra 2 hours potentially helping you guys get out of the life that you hate, that's a bargain if you ask me. And that's also why I'm a little bit biased, because it's the only business model that worked for me, but it's also a very entry-level business model for beginners to help you guys get started. You can still do this while you're working your 9 to 5 and do this in your spare time, so that you're not really taking that much risk. You're not like quitting tomorrow. You can still line up partnerships and potentially help these businesses grow, and you can make some money on the side to help you guys supplement and replace your 9 to 5 eventually. So it's not like you're taking the biggest risk in the world and you're not dumping $100,000 that you saved up into a degree that you're never going to use for the rest of your life. So I mean, like, what do you really have to lose by pursuing this business model? But as we come to the end of this video, you can stay stuck in the dead-end job that you're working right now. That's not a problem. Or you can take control of your life and actually build a location, time, and financial freedom business model on the side and actually take that first step into the life that you want. The digital middleman path has already helped my students escape their 9 to 5s as well. Just look at Sophia, Keyshawn, Chike. Go watch their videos on my YouTube. They're free to watch. And watch how they built actual and real freedom, and not just remote work, but actual control over their time and their location. And it's not easy by any means, but it is proven, which is majority of people's goals anyway when they pursue a business model. They don't care about the fancy shit that might pay off, because majority of those are scams, let's be honest. If you are anything like me, you just care if the business model works today. It's kind of crazy to say out loud, but you just care if it actually works. And if it does work, you're willing to put in the effort. So if you guys want to fast track success, to actually help you guys land these partnerships and start working with these business owners, because they genuinely need you. I genuinely need you. If you actually want to see success in the online space, just click the link in the description below. Stop wasting months of just unproven business models or outdated business models that you don't even know are going to work. And you can talk to me or my team to see if this business model actually suits and aligns with what you're doing today. It can actually change your life. Or if you just want to even learn more about the business model, you can also click the link in the description and book a call with my team. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.